Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Brilliant, the learning platform that promises to make math, science, and computer science actually fun instead of a total nightmare. The big question is it legit or just another overhyped icon taking up space on your home screen? Let's break it down together. First off, the app is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Passing their security and quality checks is the digital equivalent of a background check, so safety-wise, we're off to a decent start. It's always refreshing when an app doesn't try to steal your identity before the first lesson. Next, let's talk customer support, which is surprisingly transparent. They offer an email, a phone number, and even a physical address. Most sketchy apps hide their contact info like they're in a witness protection program, but Brilliant is out in the open. We also took a peek at their social media presence. They're active on everything from Facebook to LinkedIn, boasting around 1.8 million followers on Facebook alone. That's a massive community, suggesting they're a brand that actually engages with people rather than lurking in the shadows. Even the CEO, Sue Kim, is public on LinkedIn, and usually, when leaders show their faces, it means they're confident their product won't spontaneously combust. Now for the real talk, the reviews. Brilliant holds a 4.7-star rating on the Play Store and a solid 4.1 on Trustpilot. But because we like to live dangerously, we jumped into Reddit, the place where dreams go to be scrutinized. The vibe there is pretty consistent. People love the visuals and the interactive puzzles. It's fantastic for motivation and daily practice, though it's probably not the best choice if you're looking for deep, soul-crushing theoretical study. It works best as a supplement, so don't go tossing your textbooks into a bonfire just yet. In the end, Brilliant definitely checks out as a legit and trustworthy platform. It's engaging and perfect if you prefer learning through logic puzzles rather than reading notes that are drier than a desert. If you're trying to sharpen your problem-solving skills or build a solid learning habit, this app is a great companion. Just remember, it's a brain boost, not a full-blown university replacement. All right, fam, that's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.